Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, did it yesterday, and as I described in yesterday's video, it was looking like almost a case of deja vu, where if you've followed this one or traded it before, then you've seen this one kind of turn into pretty much just a pure piece of garbage, where every day it seems to just be getting lower and lower. And that seems to be the exact case here. Potentially, I thought, that as I talked about in yesterday's video, that, hey, you know what, maybe there's some sort of bottom forming with the volume. But that answer was very quickly confirmed this morning with the price gapping down. And then after the gap down, the price just continued to drift further and further down. So again, I'm not saying that it's impossible to trade this from the long side and make money. I'm just saying that it's definitely one of these where if you're not good at controlling risk, honoring stop losses, etc., then yeah, you should probably just stay away from it. So as things stand right now, I'm just going to update the levels of resistance. We'll use this line just because that line up there, sure, it still pertains, but it's no longer relevant. So initial area of resistance is going to be $1.12. That's where, after the price bottomed out here, try to make a move, but then ultimately got rejected right there. And then the next level of resistance that I'm just going to, I believe, probably just start talking about in every video from this point forward is just going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And the easiest way to look at that is as long as the price is below that purple line, then the bears are in full control, no questions asked. What about levels of resistance? Well, the bleeding finally stopped today right there at essentially the dollar level. So $1 will be the level of support to keep an eye on going into tomorrow. Again, for those of you that have traded it, you know that this one can make some pretty epic bounces and some very attractive upwards price movements. But on the same token, it can also just be a total pain in the neck if you're not honoring stop losses and such. So I'm not saying to stay away from it, but if you struggle with discipline and such, then yeah, I'd probably move on, because this one can sure produce nice moves, but it can also get you in a world of hurt. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.